Again? Another one!
Bulletin. Snow squall warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a snow squall warning for Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, western Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line from 15 miles northeast of Greenville to 7 miles northwest of Oakwood, or along a line from 19 miles northwest of Franklin to 9 miles northwest of New Castle, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: whiteout conditions with near zero visibility associated with intense bursts of snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: Doppler radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. Locations impacted include New Castle, Hermitage, Sharon, Oil City, Grove City, Franklin, Sharpsville, Greenville, Cigar Creek, Farrell, Slippery Rock, New Wilmington, Oakwood, New Castle Northwest, Mercer, Pulaski, Hazen Heights, Bessemer, Stoneboro, and New Bedford. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. There is no safe place on a highway when a snow squall hits. Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the snow squall arrives. Repeating, a snow squall warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Butler, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango.
God dang, this is the fourth one today!